Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Unity Fundamentals 1 Mat Unity Fundamentals 1 Mat1 Answer3. So correct execution order of this methods is this is it's written in this notepad file. Okay, so I will speak. First the awake method gets called, then on enable, then the start method, then the fix update method, then the collision enter method, then on mouse click method, then update method, then wait for seconds, then late update, then on disable, then on destroy. Okay, so yes, and then let me explain what each method does. Okay, so awake is the first method that gets called as soon as our game objects get active inside an hierarchy. Okay, then on enable is like a method that gets called as soon as that component is enable. Okay, when like the first as soon as we enable the component, this method gets called. Then the start method will get called after our game object and the component both are enabled, and in the first frame it will get called in the first frame. After that, then the fix update gets called in every fixed time interval. Usually the time interval is 0.02 seconds, so it will get called 50 times in every second. Then on collision enter, so this is the method that gets called automatically by Unity when anything collides with that collider, if the two colliders if any rigid body collides with that collider, so this method gets called as soon as it collides. Then on mouse click, so it takes a mouse input. Then the update method, it's get called once every frame. Then the wait for seconds, so this is like a special method that we use inside a coroutine to say that to our computer that I need to wait for this much seconds, 2 seconds or 5 seconds or something like that. Then the late update, so late update gets called at the end of the every frame, after the update and all the methods that are relative, then they get called, and then the late update will get called at the end of the frame. Then on disable, this method gets called when we disable a component or a game object. Then on destroy will get called when we destroy our game object, like delete our game object. It's like a destructor kind of. Okay, thank you.